Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and please do check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the other online courses we offer. Yesterday in one of my classes, two of my students, both of whom are actually English teachers themselves, got talking about bringing up their children. One student has a 3-year-old son and she was saying that she's been trying to bring him up to be bilingual. She does 1 or 2 hours in English with him every day. The other teacher looked slightly pained when she heard this, as if it was bringing back bad memories, and responded by saying, "Yeah, I tried to do that when my son was little. It was too much like hard work." If you say that something is too much like hard work, you mean that you don't like it and you don't want to do it because it requires too much effort. So, in the same way, you might be chatting about, for example, gardening. One of your friends might be a very enthusiastic gardener. You might respond by saying, "Oh, I can't stand gardening. It's too much like hard work." Or, as happened in another one of my classes yesterday, someone might start telling you about their summer holiday and all about how they spent 3 weeks hiking in the mountain and going wild swimming and rock climbing and so on. I'm sitting there listening, thinking, you didn't just want to spend a couple of weeks sitting in a chair with a gin and tonic in your hand, reading. Whoa, all of that exercise. That sounds far too much like hard work for my liking. If you've liked this video, make sure you click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps other people see what we do. Please do share it with your friends, your colleagues, your students and so on. And in the comment section below, tell us about things that you think are too much like hard work.